Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. You're in a good mood.
Yeah. What we draw today?
You know what a wasp is?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to draw a wasp.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
Oh, I didn't see you there.
The little artists have joined.
That's right, Betty. We're all here now. Artie? 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 Come on, stop messing around. Let's start drawing our wasp.
Okay.
Let's start by drawing two little eyes in the middle of the page towards the top. Just two tiny little ovals and shade them in black. One on the left and one on the right. Let's make the eyes larger. Draw a larger oval around the little tiny ones that we just drew. First on the right. That's it.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
I'm not sure yet.
And then another one around the left eye. Nice big oval. There you go, Artie. Great start. Now we're going to draw a funny shape around each of the eyes. Start with the right eye. Follow the oval shape at first.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
And now at the top, come out a little bit so it's an unusual shape. Now let's do the same on the left eye. Just draw around the outside. Make it a slightly unusual shape. Good job.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks for the info, Louie. Okay, now, let's draw his funny little nose. This is how wasps smell the pollen inside flowers. Two little ovals.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Now draw two curved lines going back towards the eyes. It's a sort of trumpet shape. Now let's do the bottom part of his face. Just a big curved line coming all the way around underneath. And then carry on back up and stop at the eye. There you go. He looks a bit sad. Let's give him a smiley mouth. Two little end curves and a big smiley mouth in between.
Look at him go, little artists.
Let's draw the bottom part of the mouth. And let's give him some teeth. Wasps don't really have teeth, but this is a cartoon, so we can do anything we want. Let's draw a big curve for the left side of his body. Do the same on the right side. That's right. A nice big round body. Now join the two ends together and we'll have a complete circle for the body. Let's do some stripes on the body. Draw three curved lines going across. 1, 2. Let's do one near the top. 3. That's it, Artie. Let's give our wasp some wings so he can fly. On the right side, draw a big curvy wing. Come back into the body. And now, draw the second wing. That's right, and come back into the body again.
Quack, quack.
Dance break? Okay, you can have a dance break.
Betty, do you know what time it is? Dance break time! Clap along, little artists!
dancing is fun.
No, in all my years judging dance competitions, I have never, I mean really, never seen anything quite that perfect. 10.
Great dance break, Artie. Now let's get back to drawing our wasp. Let's do the left side wings. Try and make them look a bit similar to the ones you already drew on the right side. We'll have to be careful he doesn't fly off. Let's give him some little legs. Nothing complicated, just a simple foot and a simple leg. That looks great. Let's do another one. A curve down, a little circle, and then back up. See how easy that is? Let's do a third one. Here comes his leg and his little foot. Oh, and there's room for one more. 4 legs. This wasp would be very good in one of Artie's dance breaks with all those legs.
Oh, he's so creative.
Now, use a thinner pen and we're going to draw the veins inside the wings. Draw them a little bit how you might draw tree branches. Just a squiggly line with some little offshoot branches. Artie really enjoys the details. What kind of sound do wasps make? They're a little bit like bees. Go on, Artie. Write down the sound of a wasp. I like how you're making the letters look like the sound with those squiggly edges. What does it say, Artie?
Buzz, buzz.
That's right. It says buzz, buzz, just like a real wasp. You're finished? Well, he looks very good, but I think he needs some colour, perhaps some yellow and black. You're finished? What a great job, Artie. I love how you coloured him in. I love the way you did the stripes, yellow and black. And the way you shaded the wings. It looks so good. It's another masterpiece.
Have a great day. And don't forget, Mikey out.
Farewell, little artists.
Farewell to you, Betty. And thank you, little artists, for watching today. We hope you have an arty day. And we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.